In this video, I show you how to add audio files to your Collaboard. Click on Media in the toolbar on the left side of Collaboard. And now you can easily browse your files or drag and drop the audio file from a folder of your choice onto your board. Your audio file will appear, which you can play now. If you are really creative and perhaps musical, you can of course also record your own audio file. You can also record it as a voice message without music. To do this, simply click on the record button and select the record audio. Now select the microphone you want and activate the recording by clicking the record button here. I wish you lots of fun with your audio files.